In the rapidly growing segment of entry-level luxury SUVs, the all-new 2019 Volvo XC40 aims to bring buyers upscale utility at a lower price. It exudes style and youthfulness, but some of its quirks can be frustrating. This little Volvo is one of the roomiest in this class of tiny, boutique SUVs, and it brings with it some thoughtful storage solutions. Up front, there's a large open bin in the center console that has a nifty cell phone slot and a removable trash container. The door pockets are huge, and there's a covered bin under the armrest between the seats. A standard power liftgate reveals a wide cargo opening. Loading is made easy by the low sill and flat floor. And the 60/40 split rear seats offer maximum storage when you need it. The Volvo even has a dedicated slot for storing the cargo cover. The XC40 has a stout stance, but that doesn't mean it's agile out on the road. Steering feel was vague, but overall handling was safe and forgiving, though not sporty. Ride comfort suffers because of the stiff suspension, which is typical of Volvos. The 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine has pep. That said, the engine's gritty sound breaks up an otherwise quiet cabin. The cabin is nice enough, but it's finished with a mix of materials. The front seats are a high point of this car. They're very comfortable and offer a wide range of adjustments for long-term support. The rear seat is easy to access, but we found it flat and low to the floor. The high seating position gives drivers a good view over the hood, and the slim front pillars aid visibility. The rear window is large, but the fixed position of the rear headrest cuts down on visibility. Both forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking come standard on the XC40, a move that we applaud. However, the most frustrating part about the XC40 has to be the controls. The stubby electric gear selector requires 2 actions to engage either drive or reverse. If you don't hit it twice, you'll find yourself in neutral. If drivers inadvertently turn the engine off in neutral, the transmission remains there. The center touchscreen has a sleek, tablet-like presentation. It houses controls for the climate, audio, phone, and navigation systems. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility come standard. The standard advanced safety gear, creature comforts, and hip styling give the XC40 some appeal. However, if you shop around, you might find better rounded offerings from competitors that also have strong badge cachet. For more on luxury SUVs, check out consumerreports.org.